Hi, today we're talking about retainer versus hourly resource tracker. So this is a simple template which can help you track retainer versus hourly resources, and you can see we have created databases for the same over here. What we have is a client name, the engagement type, like the retainer engagement, hourly engagement, hybrid mode. We have the resources which were required for this particular thing, the time locked, the rate, and the cost to agency, the build amount, profit margin. So everything is included over here. Okay, you can obviously customize this template as per your own requirement and needs. This is just a sample database which has been created for a use case. If you scroll to the top, we have three summary sections over here. One is the retainer client. So this shows all the particular clients which are under the retainer mode of engagement. Then we have hourly billing. So any billings which have been created under hourly mode. So engagement type being hourly is shown over here under a different grouping. So if you see the grouping, we have grouped the entire view as per the different rates. Okay, so we have like $75 per hour, $100 per hour, and if the $100 per hour is under hourly mode, so if I change this to hourly mode, you can see that it will automatically populate over here. As you can see, it is coming over here. Okay, so let me put it back to hybrid mode. Then we have got resource utilization. So this is particularly grouped as per the different resources that we have. So all these resources that you see over here has been grouped over here, and the different clients are visible along with the time that has been logged. Okay, you can obviously enable more properties from here, like the build amount or whatever you wish to see. You can obviously choose to do that. Okay, so this is all in all a quick template which can help you keep track of retainer and hourly resources under one view. Besides this, I want to talk about a new tool, PDF Output. PDF Output is a tool that can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. It utilizes a Notion database to do that. It can also generate single documents utilizing a Notion page. How exactly does it work? Click on Create PDF and you have two options, single PDF and multiple PDFs. Under single PDF, you can generate a single PDF document utilizing one Notion page. There is obviously video attached here at the bottom which you can watch to follow along. You can also read the instructions of how it works. Okay, then there is multiple PDF mode. So this helps you generate more than one document utilizing a Notion database. There is also a video attached for the same, and then there is read instructions allocated for the same purpose. So you have both these options available, and you can choose in between both options or whatever you wish to do so. This is quite a handy tool for your use case, and you can definitely generate documents utilizing a Notion database. If you're looking to contact me, reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I can help you or assist you with any queries, or you can go to the PDF output contact section and you can send me a message with whatever queries you have. I'll be happy to help you with any issues that which you might be facing. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.